In this video, I'm going to explain what is affiliate marketing and how does it actually work. Hi, my name is Gershon. I'm an affiliate marketer. So about a year ago, I started searching online to find out how I can make money online and how I can start my own business and work for myself. So I came across affiliate marketing and I didn't understand what it is. Everybody made it out to be so easy and simple, and I was super excited to just get started and just start making sales, because for me, I just thought it was about getting a link and promoting and posting that link all over social media and sales will start rolling in. But I soon realized that I didn't even understand what affiliate marketing is and how it actually works, the mechanics of how it actually works. And for the first 6 months, I didn't actually make any sales or any money coming in. And I was struggling just to see if I can get sales coming in, because I was posting all over the show, believing that if one person just clicks my link and they sign up to the thing that I'm promoting, I'll start making a sale. But nothing happened. So before we go on, please just like this video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. I also want other people to see this video as well and see this channel, and to get more people inspired and motivated to create the successful life that they actually want. So please just hit the like, hit the bell icon, and hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get into it. So what is affiliate marketing and how does it actually work? This is John. He's an affiliate marketer, and this is Simon and Jeff. They are a company looking for affiliates to promote their product and to make more sales. Now John needs to make more money and signs up to Simon and Jeff's affiliated program, where John will promote their products and get a commission every time Lucy, the consumer, buys a product using John's affiliated link. Basically, John is the middleman between the company, Simon and Jeff, and Lucy, the consumer. John works from anywhere. He works from home or wherever he wants to work from. John is totally independent. So that means he doesn't have a boss or work for anybody but himself. So what is John's job as affiliated marketer? He finds consumers that are interested in Simon and Jeff's product. Then John would tell the consumer, that's maybe Lucy, about the product and how the product can actually solve Lucy's problem. So let's say Lucy has a problem of, I'm just going to make an example. Lucy has been looking for a vacuum cleaner to better clean her house and actually mop her floor as well. And Simon and Jeff sells a vacuum cleaner that will solve Lucy's problem, and that's reliable. And all that John does is John just points Lucy to the product that Simon and Jeff sells, and once Lucy buys that product, John makes a commission every time somebody buys the vacuum cleaner. Now that's a physical product. Now affiliate marketing can be a physical product or a digital product. So let's make the same example. Let's say Simon and Jeff now has an e-course that will help Lucy to invest the money and to actually create financial freedom for herself. Now John will then promote the product that Simon and Jeff has created as the e-course. And once Lucy clicks on John's affiliated link, it would take her straight to Simon and Jeff's sales page, where Lucy would then sign up and buy the course that Simon and Jeff is selling. So if you want to be like John, be an affiliated marketer and be successful and doing it the right way, then you want to click the link below. It's a free 4-day success series that will teach you everything about affiliated marketing and how to do it the right way and the tools that you need in order for you to make $500 every single day. So why not just click the link below and follow the 4-day success series and make sure that you implement the things that I will teach you in this course, and you'll really be successful. So thank you so much for watching and taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. Until next time, be blessed and create the success that you want and that you deserve. Ciao.